Hi guys, welcome back. So today, tapos na kaming kumain and now we are going to Alpine Coaster, and then after nun is pupunta kami sa Rainbow Slide. Then tapos na yung aming activity. Tambay-tambay na lang kami dito sa Sapa hanggang gabi. Then kinabukasan, full activity na uli. So yung inarkila namin, actually nabook lang namin tong Grab car na to sa Grab app. And then nag-offer naman na si Kuya na balikan doon sa pinuntahan namin, which is medyo malayo kasi siya, almost 10 kilometers siya. Then nung pagbalik dito, sinabi namin na punta kami ng Alpine Coaster and then ng Rainbow Village o Rainbow Slide. Pero kakain muna kami. So kumain muna kami, after nun sinundo uli kami. Bali, ito na yung naging service namin for the whole day. So ang binayaran namin dito is 1.1 million Vietnamese dong. So okay na siya guys, kesa papalit-palit ng Grab at hindi naman siya nang-i-scam kasi almost hindi naman siya nagkakalayo ng presyo nung tinignan ko sa Grab app pag going to Alpine Coaster. Hindi sila nagkakalayo ng presyo, kaya okay lang yun. Update na lang namin kayo or update ko na lang kayo mamaya pag nasa Alpine Coaster na kami kasi medyo traffic ngayon kasi mag-aalas 2 na ng hapon dito at maraming sakyan.
Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands, everybody. Stop your feet, everybody clap your hands. So sunny, and I'm with you.
So we are here na guys sa Alpine Coaster. At dito na kami bibili ng ticket kasi hindi na kami bumili ng ticket sa Klook. Medyo mura-mura pag dito bibili. At baka mag 2 rides kami. So, ayan. Check lang namin yung presyo dito. And then, 200. Wait. Balikan ko kayo mamaya. Nakabili na kami ng ticket at yung gamit namin is nilagay namin dito sa may locker. So, may libreng locker dito para mapag-iwanan ng gamit. And then, yung aming Grab driver is hinihintay kami. So, magdadalawang rides kami. So, yung unang rides, magkasama kami. And then, the next ride is magkahiwalay na kami. So, ang binayaran namin in total is nasa 600 Vietnamese dong. Medyo mura-mura dito, guys. Mas mura kung dito kayo bibili ng ticket kumpara sa Klook. Ayan. So, may code ako sa Klook. Pero I highly suggest na kung gusto nyo mas makamura, dito na kayo bumili ng tickets mismo sa may Alpine Coaster. So, ayan, i-update na lang namin kayo mamaya at isasagad-sagad na namin yung aming yabang dito sa Sapa, Vietnam. So, nandito na kami guys, pababa na, ayan, ng Alpine Coaster. At dalawang ikot kami. Ang ganda ng panahon today here. At magiging maganda yung aming activity. Ayan, sumakses na naman po tayo sa yabang dito sa Sapa, Vietnam. Okay, entrance again here. And okay, tama naman yung ating pinapasok. So update na lang namin, or yeah, eto na, makikita nyo na yung aming Alpine Coaster dito sa Sapa, Vietnam. Bye! Okay, ganito lang pala siya.
Bumalik na rin mo para makita yung view ba? Mamaya.
Hindi, ibabaliktad mo na lang yan. May screen na yun sa ano.
Ako mismo ka.
Ikaw, may screen na yun. Makikita mo na.
Nakasan mo na!
I love Vietnam!
Bilisan mo,
bilisan! Kinginan nyo! Oh, yung view. Yan, ikot mo.
And never a fight. Don't worry, be happy, everything will be alright. Everyone knows you can't take it with you. Forget possessions and petty issues. Switching our lives, not in our pockets.
Ayun na, pagod ako dun ah.
Pa-OA kasi yung ano mo, sigaw mo.
Charis lang, siyempre. Para ikaw! Pero kanina mas malala yung ano. Ay, magputakin naman. Yan ang naman!
Mo, bilisan mo! Bilisan mo! Wala mo mag-break!
Hoy! Taas mo naman yan! Ay, hilo ako, bukutangin na!
Driver! Oh, ayun!
Oh, ayan, putangin na. Nakakangap, putangin. Ayan, oh, yung view. Alam mo na kung paano siya ano.
Bilisin! Ayun na!
Putangin na.
Di ba na siya nakakatakot? Okay. Di ano? Ayun, may camera dun, be. Kalmahan mo lang, be. At nakanganga ako dun sa muna.
Wala na camera gag-edit.
Ayun, oh.
Saan?
Ayun, oh.
CCTV yan.
Ay,
eh.
sisipin.
Wala na. Hindi na to ayun.
Nakanganga ako din, yawa. Ipaangat mo yata.
Hindi, ayan na oh. Wala na. Automatic na yan. Yay! Putang ina. Ano, good luck sa'yo ah. Galingan mo mamaya. Makina ka.
Ay, ko pala mauto ka na eh.
Oo.
Bilisan mo na.
Yan, ready. Let's go! Yan.
Woo!
I love Vietnam!
I don't wanna be another savior on the internet. words will be true.
Ay! Another rainbow slide again. Medyo nakakahingal kakasigaw. Ko po.
Ay, ayun!
Ay, alin ba?
Sumemplang!
Saan?
Yung mga bata.
Ah, hindi. Buhay pa. Walang umiiyak eh. Tapos na kami sa rainbow slide. Ngayon, dito naman kami sa parang go-kart. Ilalaban namin yung pagiging bata namin today. Okay. Okay, laban natin for today's video. Wow! Laban-laban. Well,
And I did so many things that I trusted you so that I could be close to you.
okay.
But I'm learning that my favorite audience for my art is me. Not the best work of my life is my life.
Ano?
I don't wanna be a savior on the
Ko rin alam.
internet. I hope that you can forgive me.
Kaya mo. Wait lang.
Eventually those words will be true.
Paano?
And I hope you say I'm so proud of you.
Hindi siya napipihit, no? Ah! Patras pa. I-ano mo, papunta sa'yo. Yung kabila. Yung kabila. Oo, yan mo. Yun. Oo.
Eventually those words will be true. And I hope you say I'm so proud of you. So proud of you. So proud
So,
of you.
ayan. Nakapwesto na yung ating go-kart. Woo! Laban-laban na to, mga bes! Ayan na! Oh! Bang, 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 bang!
I've been wanting to say for a while just how much you mean to me. Nobody can take your place. Our roots are deeper than a tree. Anything that I ever need, know you'll be there for me.
Nakailang ikot ka na, no?
Through the highs and the lows and the we always know that we can love and just be free.
Clap your hands, everybody. Stop your feet, everybody. Clap your hands. Clap your hands, everybody. Stop your feet, everybody. Clap your hands.
So sunny, I'm with you. Whoa, so sunny, I'm with you. Whoa. Everyone makes mistakes in life. A friend will help you learn from the strife. Never rudeness and never a fight. Don't worry, be happy. Everything will be alright. Everyone knows you can't take it with you. Forget possessions and petty issues.
So guys, tapos na kami dito at pabalik na kami ng hotel. Hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-vlog kasi super busy na kami sa activity dito. So, eto na yung pinakang last activity namin today. At balik lang kami ng hotel, mag-present up, and then mamayang gabi maghahanap kami kung saan kami pwedeng kumain. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next vlog. Bye!
I just wanna see you dance. Yeah, check it, check it. Dance, dance, work your body to that beat. I just wanna see you dance. Yeah, check it, check it. Dance, dance, work your body to that beat. Clap your hands, everybody. Stop your feet, everybody. Clap your hands. Clap your hands, everybody. Stomp your feet, everybody. Clap your hands.
So sunny.